I still have very bad tinnitus and hearing loss. And because my ear is healed up from the sores of the shingles, I decided I'm going to do a hearing test using some AirPods. The AirPods send a tone. First, it did it in my good ear, and I could hear it. Then it switched. Interesting, when I switched, I heard all this kind of fuzzy noise in the good ear, which I didn't hear in the other ear. I heard one tone, but according to the app that I was using, I'm still deaf. Or I had zero hearing. It was like, something's wrong. I was like, yeah, no kidding. I can't hear.